Hello, everyone. Let me introduce you to PageGazer, a new platform for usability and marketing research that combines webcam eye tracking, mouse tracking, and website parsing. PageGazer will provide you with actionable insights, such as how to make your website more user-friendly and how to improve conversions by tracking and analyzing hand-eye coordination patterns. Other examples include identifying high-level user interactions, like reading, skimming and browsing, searching, and productive engagement. Let's have a look at how to set up a project in PageGazer. First, you create a project, give it a name, and the URL you want to test. Next, you can choose if participants should just freely explore your website or if they will be required to perform a certain task, like finding an item in a web shop and placing it in the shopping cart. PageGazer can use different technologies to run eye and mouse tracking user tests on your website, and you can also determine parameters for the eye tracking calibration. In your project, you can add multiple pages that will be part of the testing session. Our algorithms will then be able to parse your website and detect relevant AOIs for all pages automatically. This powerful data aggregation capability, which works across participants and screen sizes, is just one of the unique features of our platform. You can also set up specific tasks in your project. For instance, to find out how well users navigate and find certain parts or items in your application. Multiple tasks can be combined to guide users through the testing process. For instance, in this simple example, we want to task the user to find a certain category on the Amazon website and then open it, meaning click on that category, and once they do that, we want to display a success notification. To run our test with remote subjects, we have to now publish our test, which will give you a participation URL that you can distribute on your own, or you can use our dedicated participant recruitment tool to recruit exactly the right population for your test. When the participants open the URL, they will start by performing a short calibration required for the subsequent eye tracking recording. This will require them to make sure they sit properly in front of the webcam and that illumination is in the correct range. During the task, we will constantly measure the participant's head orientation, effectively implementing a virtual chin rest. This will ensure head movements will be minimal, which is important for the quality of the eye tracking data. If you're interested in our eye tracking technology, make sure to also check out our technology video, which you see in the upper right corner. After a short calibration session, the actual task will start. From this point on, eye movements, mouse movements, and website data will be passively collected in the background. Importantly, all eye tracking calculations are performed on participant devices, meaning no face data will be collected or sent anywhere. This ensures 100% GDPR and HIPAA compliance. People will be prompted with the first task, and once this is achieved, it will move over to the next task, and so on until all tasks are completed. After completing data collection for all your participants, you can directly see the data recorded for each AOI, page, and task in your study. As you can see, a lot of raw data will be recorded. Importantly, by using artificial intelligence, PageGazer then aggregates data between subjects and also combines lower-level metrics into high-level, actionable insights. For example, by evaluating hand-eye coordination, our algorithms can classify and distinguish interaction patterns, such as reading, searching, skimming and browsing, and productive engagement of users. These insights will then give you direct suggestions and hints where and how to improve your website. In short, using cutting-edge web technology, PageGazer will revolutionize and accelerate your user experience and marketing research. Visit us and sign up for more information on pagegazer.com.